how you can operate your LG Smart TV without a remote. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. Most LG Smart TVs have a small control button. It is usually under the LG logo or on the side or back of the TV. Press the button one time to turn on the TV. When the TV is on, press the button again to open the menu. Each time you press the button, it moves to the next option. If you want to choose something, just press and hold the button for a few seconds. So, short press means move, and long press means select. If you want an easier way, you can use your phone. Download the LG TV Plus app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as your TV. Open the app, find your TV, and now your phone becomes the remote. You can also use a universal remote if you want buttons. Just make sure it works with LG TVs and follow the steps to connect it. And that's it. That's how you can operate your LG Smart TV without a remote.